want to welcome everyone that joined us at the Advanced Aviation Mixer this year. Phenomenal event. We had a huge turnout with a really diverse crowd from academia, industry, DoD, you name it, they were all here.
You know, everybody's having a good time, so that's what we want. It fosters community. We need UAS North Texas community.
Tonight's important because there are a lot of exciting things happening here in North Texas, whether that's from a legislative perspective or from an operational perspective, and we want to make sure we're telling those stories. How can we put a spotlight on that work? How can we further it? How can we get us thinking about the future?
I think the presentations were important because folks got an opportunity to hear from different sectors in the region, AUVSI, UNT, myself, Galaxy Unmanned. But there are other folks that we can bring to bear, so I think if we do this again in the near future, we can have another plethora of presentations that everybody can benefit from.
Well, if you missed out on this one, there's a lot more coming up. We have events on a monthly basis, so please look out for AUVSILoneStar.org and please join us at upcoming events, whether they're fly-ins, summits, conferences. We really try to do our best as far as outreach to educate folks on the benefits of utilizing these technologies. So please look out for our next upcoming event, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.